Good morning, friends. I hope you're going to have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourselves, relax. This is the time to recoup yourselves so that from Monday you're working, you're fresh again. Today, a student came to me with some topics and said, "Ma'am, can you help me out?" And from the many topics she gave me, I selected the one called the elderly because it was a topic I wanted to talk for a long time. Someone beautifully said once, watching your parents grow elderly is to be wonderful and frightening. You begin to realize they will be both gone and you are still there making every moment count. Globally, the world is facing a problem with the elderly. I always wonder why. We always had the elderly, so why is it a problem today? The problem is not rocket science that we cannot understand. From joint families, we have become nuclear families. We spend most of our time out working. We do not get time to look after our parents or grandparents or the other elderly in our family. We don't have time to spend with them, especially if they're sick. They need time for them. I had always conflicting thoughts about old age homes. The thought itself would bring tears to my eyes. I could never even think for a moment to put my parents in an elderly home. I would never do that. I would make time for them, but that's the way I am. Then I realized is when a child is growing up and a parent cannot give proper education, the facilities at home are not enough. We put them in boarding schools, in residential schools, okay? Not because we don't love them, because we love them more. We keep them apart from us so that they learn some values of life. So we keep them there. In the same way, if your parents cannot be looked after by you, put them in such a beautiful place where they enjoy themselves. There is music, there is dance, there are simple activities, there are books to read, there are doctors, there are nurses to look after them. That kind of facility they should get if you're keeping them away from you. Let your children visit you. You visit them like you would visit your child if he was in a hostel. And the place should be so beautiful that they invite you to spend a weekend, that you go there and rest with them for some time. They can never be a burden to us, remember. It is mandatory that we look after our elderly. When I think back of my grandmother who lived with us, she loved us so much and she would tell us the stories of her childhood. Things I still remember today, and it was like a fairy tale because she came from a very rich home which had a horse carriage. She would go to school in a horse carriage, and it was so beautiful when I would listen to it because we didn't live those kind of lives. She was so prim and proper. She always wore little shoes with heels and stockings and beautiful dresses. That was my grandmother. And then I think about my uncles and aunts who I grew up with. They're also growing old. And I miss the time that I spent with them. And I wish God gives me that opportunity that I spend time with them now. And let me end by saying a beautiful saying I have. Do not regret growing older. It is a privilege denied to many. And so true now in this pandemic that we are facing. Not many of us reach that old age which our parents lived or our grandparents lived. There are so many young people who are dying and who have left us. So God bless each one of us and give time. What do they want? They want to talk to us. Do not go and visit your parents to talk. Go to listen. Listen to what they say. Yes, they will say the same thing 10 times. Remember, you did the same thing when you were a child. They didn't disown you. You said the same question 100 times. You asked them, why mama, why mama? The same thing is with them. It is a circle of life. They are growing old, just like a child you once were. Remember, we also will go through that stage. So teach your children to look after their grandparents so that one day they look after you. Children will not learn by listening to you. They will learn by watching you. So God bless you. I love you.